So one of the errors is, so we're here, he reaches out, okay, let's say this is okay. Then he does the G, right? And he's G'ing at me like this. So they feel pressure, and then they start going like this, using the upper body, right? And so if he's got any force, it just fills up all my empty space. I need to use qua and yao. So I go roll back. When he does it, I don't climb with my hand. I sink down here. Now watch how much activity my hand does. Do you see any fancy little silly games like much to do about nothing hands? No. I move from below. He pushes. I on. I don't do this. Okay? This is such... Do that against a jab, right? Simple shapes. These complicated shapes is silly stuff, yeah. He moves his hand forward, I move. He comes at me the next way, I move. That's it. I just go like this. Now, if I don't make space down here and I try to move my hand simply, I get trapped. Because I can't, if I relax, I just get trapped. If I'm stiff, I get trapped. I need to make space. I need space to move, right? How much can you move when you're in prison? Very little. If you want to move, you need freedom, right? You can't move, it's like being in Australia in COVID, okay? You can't move. If I try to reach out to him and he does the roll back, and I have no space, so I compensate and be weird, right? I don't need to compensate, I'm just comfortable. I just reach out, I'm very comfortable, because I have inner freedom. I'm not welded together, unable to move everywhere. Yeah, the body has to be open, spacious, sunk, comfortable. So you can use simple shapes. People like to push hands and they're always like, you know, like this, right? And because everyone's moving slow in the park and it's like, you think it's working, oh, you couldn't push me. Yeah, but you did 16 movements to his one, right? And the idea of pushing hands is that you're slowing down natural movement. So are you going to do 16 little hand movements to his cross? No. No. You can do one movement to his cross. One. So all this fantasy land stuff, forget it.